free, one time. An email popped in late last night, said you won a prize in letters bright. But the name was odd, the message quick, and something felt a little slick. It said, act now, in red bold ink. My finger hovered, click, click, click. Then a tiny voice inside my brain said, hey buddy, use your brain. Nope, don't click that link. Nope, don't you do it. Don't click that link, take a breath and look through it. If it feels weird or way too slick, pause, think twice. Don't click that link. They say your password's gonna break, or your account is on the take. But real folks don't rush or shout. They don't freak you out to sort things out. Check the spelling, check the name. Does the message feel the same? If it smells like fishy stew, it's probably not meant for you. Don't click that link. Not today, no siree. Don't click that link. That's how trouble tries to meet me. Hover first and take a peek. Smart clicks are strong, not quick and weak. What if it's real? Well then guess what? Go to the site yourself, not the link they got. Banks don't beg and apps don't plead. They won't demand your secret key. And prizes don't arrive by spam. That's just a digital sleight of hand. When in doubt, ask a friend or delete it. That's the end. Being careful isn't slow. It's how smart computer users roll. Don't click that link. You're smarter than that trick. Don't click that link. Think it through before you click. Stay alert and you'll be fine. High five, you just saved some time. Don't click that link.